Hi, I'm Tom Laurent, Area Manager for the East Waikato, Coromandel and South Auckland. There are 4 key parts to keeping your plant clean: temperature, contact time, chemical and turbulence. I'm going to talk about turbulence. Turbulence is created inside the plant by a flushing pulsator. This releases a slug of water down the milk line which goes into the receiving can and creates an agitating effect and cleans the inside of the can. You need a 7.5 litre slug of water that comes out of the end of the flushing pulsator into the milk line. That then goes down the milk line, picking up the water and creates an agitation effect down the length of the tube into the receiving can, and doing the same thing there. Older plants in particular may have issues with their ability to clean, and they are not able to create the turbulence. So you have to look at other solutions for that. Other areas are milk meters. That can sometimes be an issue because there's just not the actual agitation to go through those and keep those particular units clean. So it's something to keep an eye on. In some of the older plants where they're not able to generate the turbulation, we have certain products within our range that are able to create a higher foam point, hopefully overcome some of those situations. Depending on your type of plant, your FIL area manager will come out and spec their different detergents to suit it.